Welcome. Today in front of me Motorola Edge 30, and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So let's just first open the Play Store to get the Ampere application, and here in the search pool enter the Ampere, then just tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, just open the app, click yes I agree, pick close, tap to OK, and here you'll see the information with the temperature of our device battery. In my case that's 30. Also, we can find here more information about our device health, battery health, capacity, voltage, and more other info like the Android version, device model. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.